My name is Ruben Bugayon.
My name is Chris Tafoya.
Hey, this is Travis, the district sales leader from sunny San Diego.
Hi, my name is Raquel Lara, district sales leader here in the LA area.
I started off as a salesman and worked my way up to an assistant manager, general manager, became a district manager over several sites. And I've been with the company almost 12 years.
I started off with the company back in 2012, 12 or 13. I've been with the company about 10 years now.
I found my way into Superstar Car Wash about 2 years ago. I started off as a Fast Pass and I worked my way up to a Fast Pass trainer. And after almost a year of doing that, I got promoted to the district sales leader.
These very lanes where my career started here at Superstar Car Wash, and when I grew to become part of the grand opening team. Once I became part of the grand opening team is where my career really excelled.
The advancement opportunities with Superstar Car Wash are limited. There's always room for advancement in our company, and and we're growing so fast and so big that the possibilities are endless right now.
One of the great things about this company is we actually see talent and we take a look at it and we nurture that talent and bring it up to where, yeah, we can expand roles for just about every role that we have.
One of my favorite aspects of Superstar Car Wash is the mentorship that I'm able to give to other employees, along with the mentorship I receive from my boss.
One thing I became passionate about the role is that I get to meet other individuals and give them the same opportunity that was given to me.
What excites me most about coming to work every day, and I'll be honest, I don't even consider it work. I love what I do. I have a passion for this. I don't want to answer it like that, but that's the truth. Ooh, that came from the heart. What excites me most about coming to work every day is working with people, whether it be the team, the staff, or the customers. I really enjoy training and developing people. I really enjoy watching people grow, and I really enjoy helping customers. So working with people is probably the most exciting part about this job, and the best part about it is that is all I do.
You know, one of the great things about this company is we're constantly evolving and constantly changing. Every day there's something new. Every day there's a different challenge. I love the fact of trying to come in and see what that challenge is and try to overcome it and beat that challenge. That's what gets me fired up every day.
Superstar Car Wash, there's not many other companies out there like it, if any at all. We're all here to help each other and build each other up, and it's a great place to build up your skills as far as leadership, as far as customer service, everything to do with the car wash industry.
No matter how hard, how far, as long as you challenge yourself to be successful, Superstar gives you that opportunity.